Hi guys, welcome. Good night. Welcome to Global PDT Official Live. My name is Sarah. I'm your host today. And in tonight's live, I'm going to show you three newly designed 4 GPUs radios from Global PDT. The first one that I'm going to show you will be the one here in front. Okay, let me give a 360 overlook first. Okay, guys. It's a three standby for GPUs radios. It works under global PTT, UHF, and VHF, three in one. Okay, here's green color. Here is black color. Okay, two colors to choose. And besides this one, we also have another design that is a G8 Plus model. This is a G8 Plus model. Hello, David, and then the G6 Plus model. This is the three newly designed 4G radios I'm going to show in today's live. Can you hear me, David? Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me. If you can hear me, please say hi to me, guys. Okay. Okay. Do you have questions about? Thank you, David, for your answer. We will just go on the live to show you the walkie-talkies. Okay. Now let me show you this one. The link number. Sorry, not the link number. Okay, this is the 528 plus. I don't have a shopping basket here, guys. So if you want to order it, you need to go to the shop to order it. Okay, and we just do brand promotion here in our live. We just do brand promotion for global PTT. Okay, the spell is GLOBAL and then a short line PTT. That is us because recently there are some client. They just come to me. They said, do you have the other spell? Okay, like GLOBGL. Okay, PTT. Is that you? We said no. This is our only brand, global PTT brand. The other brand is another global PTT. They are fake brand. Okay, so if you want to buy a global PTT brand radio, you can go to the global PTT official website, or you can just go to the authorized store. Okay, and to make sure you buy the real global PTT radio. And now let me show you this one. And when you turn this radio on, okay, first you will see a global PTT logo that will just come out. Okay, and when you turn it on, you have your group already. That is real global PTT radio. You will have your own group, and then the middle here it is UHF, is VHF, and the last line is UHF. It's just a three in one, guys. Okay, if you make it clips, I will buy one your hands. You can't buy here, so I will not make a clip. Clap, okay. Clap your hands. Here you can see here there is a PDT button one and button two. Press the PDT button one, you can send a message out under global PDT mode. Press button two, you can send a message out under the VHF and under the UHF. It's just a 4G plus UV dual band 3 standby, and the menu for the walkie-talkie under the POC. This is a menu for the POC, and here is the menu for VHF and UHF. Okay, the menu is different, guys. Okay, we can set the RX CTCSS and the CX TX CTCSS and also DCSM. That is a tone. And when we want to talk, we need to set the tone, and we also need to set the frequency. Set the tone and set the frequency. Then you can connect this walkie-talkie to a traditional ham radio or to a GMS radio, and you don't need a license to use this walkie-talkie to talk because we register it as a 4G POC radios, push to talk over the cellular network. And you can see here the first line is global PDT, the second line, the third line is UHF, VHF, and UHF. Okay, it is our newest design. Okay, if you like it, you can go to the you can go to the information page. Okay, type my logo picture. Okay, here has a logo picture. This is a logo picture. Type the logo picture. Okay, and then you can check the information, and then you can get how to order it. If you are from American, we have two shops for you to order. If you are not from American, you are from Europe, you can also order it from us. We offer those walkie-talkie worldwide. We're just doing a worldwide business. Okay, do you need a walkie-talkie at home? And this walkie-talkie is a portable devices. You can use it at home, and you can also use it during you go out to play, go camping, go to mountain, go hiking, just with your family, with your friend. You can use this walkie-talkie. It is a professional equipment for you to communicate with your friend. It's a communication tools. Okay, and here guys on the top there's a small screen. Okay, it's two global PTT and VHF, and we can flop it. We can flop it. What bands are they working on and frequency? UHF band 400 to 490, okay, and VHF band 136 to 174. Okay, that is the two band, and also 4G band. 4G band is 800 to 2655 megahertz. Okay, 136 megahertz to 174 megahertz. VHF UHF is 400 megahertz to 490 megahertz. That is the UV band. It also has a 4G band. The 4G band is B1, B2, B4, B6, okay, and then until B41 it is complete 4G band. So if you like to travel around, you go to the other country, it still can pick up the 4G signal. It can cover all the 4G band. This was a global band 4G POC radios. If you don't have 4G reception, you lost a 4G connection, it will work under UV band. If you have 4G, you can use under the 4G signal. With the same card we offer to you, you can achieve the 174 countries free call with your team member. We offer the company account, and when you order the radios, we're going to create a company for you in the global PT system. This is my company account. I have 18 groups, and my user is 59 user for now. Actually, for now, I add more user. I have 61 user. We can add more new users to your group. Okay, so you can just talk to them. Between my 59 users in my group, they are free. No monthly charge, no other payment. Okay, and no subscription fee, no platform fee. It's totally free, and there's no talking limit. We can add more members in my group. Our technology is based on the global PT servers. This is the global PT servers, the servers all over the world. We don't charge a platform fee, not like the other brand. I think you are very familiar with some other brand like the some other platforms like here. Okay, Irico, okay, Real PDT or Work. They are also global band, but they're just selling you the platform, $25 per year, and they have nothing about those devices. But we're selling the radios. Okay, we're selling the radios, we're selling the account, we're selling the license. So we are all in one. We are the all-in-one global PT service. If you will use it under the UV band, the power is only 10 watts. If you will use it under the 4G, it is good for a worldwide range. Okay, this 3-in-1 POC, UHF, and VHF. UHF and VHF power is 10 watts. Okay, let me show you here. This is the package box. POC, UHF, VHF, walkie-talkie, push-to-talk, nationwide. Okay, POC is good for nationwide. Okay, UHF and VHF is for assisting. When you lost 4G, you can talk under UHF and VHF. And there is a transfer function of this walkie-talkie. Let me show you the transfer function. When we turn the transfer on, go to the host setting. Okay, we can turn the transfer on. After we turn the transfer on, we can transfer the POC mode to UHF and VHF. Transfer set, you can see here, transfer off, transfer on. When we turn the transfer on, we can transfer. Here's the transfer and talk. We set it by ourselves. This is POC. Okay, POC working mode. Now the transfer is off. We can transfer the voice from POC to UHF or VHF. We can achieve the international call with this walkie-talkie. Okay, and here the lower part is VHF. We can it has a tone. We can set the tone and set the frequency, and it is compatible with some other brand. Okay, like the Baofeng, like the other ham radios or GMS radios. It's only 10 watts. 10 were under the UV dial ban, okay, but under global PTT, and that is also our special or our best part is global PTT. We are quite mature in the global PTT POC radio area. Okay, we are the ranked top 3 for now, guys. If you want to try our radio, you can try and you can order it from our shop. We just do brand promotion for global PTT because recently there are some fake brand. Okay, they just use a different spell, but they think it is made from us. No, only this spell, GLOBAL, short line, PTT, it is from us. The other brand is not a real global PTT radio. Or you can order this global PTT radio not only from my store because we also have some authorized seller. They're just selling our radios, but it must with the global PTT logo here and in the it is with the global PTT system for the radio. Then that is our product. The others are not from us. Okay, we are the global PTT walkie-talkie manufacturer. We're just looking for dealers and distributors, guys. If you are interested in become our dealer distributor, you can try one radio or try one pair first, or you can just try 10. Because if you order 10, we're going to offer you a 20% discount. This is our global PTT series. It's all over the world. For all the radios, no matter where you order, as long as it is a global PTT radio, you may notice we have our brand logo at the back. That is us. With that logo, that is our shop. Without that logo, that is not our shop. Okay, and here the one that I'm showing you is a newly designed 528 plus model, guys. If you like this one, you can order it from the shop. And next one, guys, I'm going to show you this one. This is also a newly designed global PTT radios. But you need a SIM card in it. Yes, we need a SIM card for this radio. It works under POC mode. POC, we need a SIM card. UHF, we don't need a SIM card. Okay, POC is push to talk over the cellular network. And here, guys, this is the same card that will offer you a cellular network. And here is the UHF. UHF is just the same your ham radio or traditional GMS radio. No SIM card is needed, but it's not good for worldwide. Okay, if you want to use it for worldwide international communication, you need this SIM card. The SIM card, guys, we offer to you is a global SIM, which will cover 174 countries. Okay, so if you want to talk worldwide and you want to try our radios, just order it with the SIM card. The SIM card is $35. Renew it every year. Okay. And besides the global PTT radios, we also offer you the global PTT apps. This is the global PTT apps. The global PTT apps, we can use it on the phone. We can download it on the phone, guys. This is the global PTT apps. We can download the global PTT apps on the phone. And you can buy a global PTT account from us. The global PTT account, it is $35 per account. Sorry, not 35, it's 15. $15 per account, but it will work worldwide, guys. You can use it to talk to your walkie-talkie, and you can connect the Wi-Fi to talk. Okay, to use your phone to connect to the walkie-talkie, and then your phone it will become a walkie-talkie. You can use our global PTT platform for free, only $15. Okay, you can download the apps. Just search global PTT. Okay, whatever the other brand is not global PTT, and you may notice here there is a global PTT logo. This is us. Global PTT. Okay, and this is our brand logo. Any other brand, global radio, no, that is not us. Global PTT, that is not us. Okay, global PTT, that is not us. Any other is not from us. Okay, only this one, global PTT with the global PTT logo, that is us. There are so many fake brands for now. Okay, and sometimes they just use our videos because we post many videos. Okay, but that is as long as it is not with this global PTT logo and the radio you get from them is not the same the one that I show from the live. That is not our product. Okay, that is a fake one. This one is the G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is also the newly designed for GPUs radios. You know, we are the manufacturer, and every year we have more than 10 different models will come to the market. And today I will just show three. And the next, you can follow me. Okay, the next half year we're gonna still have some new designs. It will come out to the market, guys. If you like our video, you can order it from the shop. If you are just waiting for the new designs, you can follow me. Once it come out, I'm going to show you in the live. This one's G8 Plus model, guys. And you may notice that the PTT button is on left only, not like the 528 Plus. There's one on the left. There is another one on the right. Button 1 and button 2. Press PTT button 1, we can send a message out under global PTT. Button 2 is for UHF and VHF. Okay, some friends just complain about this one because it's not very convenient to use, and because they are much familiar or they are much used to press the PTT button on the left. Okay, if you want to get the one that and you're much familiar with the one that on the left, the buttons on the left, choose the G8 Plus model. And the G8 Plus model is also the one that I recommend best from our shop, from the Global PTT brand, because this one's much stable actually. It is a quite stable, guys, and wherever you go, as long as you get the 4G reception, will work. Even in some area, your phone can't get a very good 4G reception. This walkie-talkie it can do. Okay, because it has a fully 4G band and it's a global band one. Yeah, with the SIM card we offer to is a special too. It's not a local SIM card, guys. The SIM card, guys, we offer to you is a global SIM card. Here is the SIM card number. Okay, it is a global SIM card. The global SIM card, which will just cover 174 countries. The card number here, you can send it to us. If you want to renew, we can renew it for you. $35 to pay to our PayPal account. We're going to renew it for you. But if you don't want to renew it, you can just stop it, and you know no need to pay anymore because we don't have a contract for the same card, guys. Do you have questions about the radio here on my head? This is a G Plus model. We have a head mic for this one for sale. The head mic is $35. Okay, the head mic here is $35. The head mic is very convenient. You can connect it to the head mic here interface, and this one you can connect it here to the right interface and then connect the head mic. Press the PTT button, you can send the message out. Okay, press the PTT button, you can send the message out. Very convenient. And here you can see there's another interface, the round one. If you have another earpiece or headset, you can just connect it here directly and then it will work. You use another earpiece. We offer you free earpiece headset for the radios we offered in our live. Like this one, we have free earpiece for you. This one, we have a free earpiece for you too. And the small ones, we also have free earpiece. So when you order those radios from our shop, so everything is included. It's not only the radio, but also the account, the license, the accessories. Okay, everything we including the shipping fee for you guys. So actually, if you add all, our price compared to the others is the lowest price in the market actually. But it doesn't mean that those radios is not a high quality one. Compared to the others, our product actually is high quality. You spend the same money. For example, you spend $200, you get it from the other brand or get it from us. Their quality actually are different. Okay, you can test it. Some radios you use it for 3 months or 5 months, it is broken. And for me, like this one, like this metal one, you can see here it is old because it's almost 3 years old for this one, but it still works great. Okay, so our walkie-talkie actually is quite long-lasting. It's not the bad materials. And when you use it to talk, you will notice that our materials is good because the voice is loud and clear and much real voice. I'm going to do a group call test. I use another walkie-talkie to do a group call test. Hello.
Hello.
clear, loud. Even where I'm just talking here, not in a very loud voice, you can still hear the voice loud in the other side because we use the AI noisy cancellation technology. Okay, so if your surroundings is very noise, you can use this one to talk. And here is the green color one. The green color, okay, and then here is the black color, and this one's a G plus newly designed one. I recommend this one best. You wherever you order it, as long as it is with the global PTT logo, it is us. But if you get another spell, that is not us. Okay, you order it from our official website or from the authorized website or authorized seller. Okay, you can request authorization letter way before you purchase them to make sure you buy a real global PTT radio, not a fake one. There are so many designs, they're just similar, okay, but they can't copy our technology, guys. You can try by yourself. After you test it, you will notice that global PTT is global PTT. The other brand is the other brand. We are totally different. We put so much, okay, we just put so much concentration or put so much on the design, okay, and on the technology, and we just do the manufacture for those radios by ourselves, and those one also research and develop by ourselves. We have new technology on it, guys. If you like it, you can check our shop and you can try one or try one pair. We offer a 30 days free razor return for you. And next one, guys, I'm going to show another metal radios. This one is another one. It's metal. Jesus Plus model. The Jesus Plus model is green color. We also have a silver color. Three colors to choose. Green color, silver color, okay, and the black color. Press the PTT button, you can send the message out, and the antenna is just a removable antenna. And we can rotate the button to change the volume, make the louder voice, make the lower voice. And here is a metal clips. Okay, and here is the earpiece. We can connect the earpiece. Okay, connect the earpiece. We're going to offer you the earpiece for free. And here is a metal one, metal radius. You can hear the voice. I get another metal radius, and this is ABS materials one. This is ABS materials one. The sound when you touch it is different, and the metal one actually the heavy is a little bit heavy compared to the ABS materials one. For the metal radius, it has a better voice compared to the ABS materials one. Okay, let me try to make a single call. We're going to test the voice of this radius. First, we're going to go to the menu. Here is a member. Here is a member. Okay, we go to the Jesus Plus. Okay, we mark it. We mark it is marked. Okay, we entered into temporary group with this one. Now we're going to test voice between the two radios. We make a single call between the two radios. I'm going to use the G Plus model to call to the Jesus Plus model. Hello. Hello. Okay. Fart nuggets is not five. It's not five. I'm going to show you. It's 10 words. It's just right at the back of the radio. You can just see here. See here, guys. Under the UHF is 10 words, and under the global PTT there is no density limit. Okay. It's not right here. 5 plus POC, UHF. Here is the working frequency. global-ptt1. But it does not showing how many words. Okay. I'm going to open another one and show you. The one that I'm showing here for the Jesus Plus model, guys. Jesus Plus model. It's POC radius. There's no UHF. There's no VHF. So we're not talking about how many words it is. Okay, it is here. Download. This is POC plus UHF model G plus. Power is 10 words, and here is a CE and FCC sticker. Frequency is 350 to 520 megahertz. You can test it by yourself. Okay, we give a 3 days free return. Now we will just go on the live to show you this one. This is a G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model, it works great over the world. Our special is POC, push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, push to talk over the cellular network. This is our technology. But for those the big ones, we add UHF and VHF for the assisting. So for example, if you lost 4G, you go to the mountain, you lost 4G, they can still work. Okay, if you lost a 4G connection, you go to the mountain, you go to the valley, you go hiking with your friend, but you lost a 4G, choose those big ones. These big ones are much suitable for outdoor. This one is good for business. And where we normally use it for business, we use it for warehouse, we use it for airport, we use it for subway station, for security team, for bodyguard. And for this one on my hand, we add SOS. Here is SOS. Be prepared for that. Okay, this is the SOS. The SOS function is very important if you are first responder of the team, but it only works where you have the 4G signal. If you go to the mountains, you lost 4G, will not work anymore. Okay, but this, okay, you can see here, guys, there is the SOS mark here, and then you can check here alarm information. Okay, on the map, we can search it in the global PTT dispatch account, and we will notice which model is now in SOS mode. Normally, we use this walkie-talkie for business use, but of course, you can use it for your hobbies. But make sure if you use it for your hobbies, you stay somewhere where there is a 4G coverage. If you don't have 4G coverage, I think you had better buy a ham radio or GMS radio. For this one, we add the UHF and VHF for assisting in case you need it. Let me let me check your comment. Okay, just give me 1 second. Mobile radio. This is a mobile radio, and we can make a phone call. It doesn't write how many words because if you are a mobile radio, we need a SIM card. It is a 3-in-1. It's 3-in-1. The first one is mobile. We can dial number. We can make a phone call. Okay. The second is UHF. The third is VHF. It's 3 standby. I think your mobile radio is only 1 standby, just the same this one. Okay. The mobile radio we have here, yeah, and it's cheaper. This one is 220, and this one's 296 is cheaper, but this one is a little bit expensive because the technology on this one is a little bit complicated. It's a 3 standby. We just combine the mobile radio to UHF analog and VHF analog. Okay, 3 standby. And under the global PTT or POC mode, when we use it, there is no density limit because we don't rely on the analog. It is rely on the 4G cellular tower, and this is our global PT servers. It is a global band, guys, so you can talk from United States to London. Okay, you can talk from United States to Australian. Okay, it is more than 5,000 miles range. It doesn't depends on which country or how many miles distance. It depends on your 4G coverage. We have the servers all over the world. Okay, you may notice that we also have the apps for you. You can use the app to talk to the radio. It's one-stop global PTT service. We can also compare to real PTT, Velowork, or Enrico. Okay, from them you will get their platform, but you need to pay the platform fee $20 or $25 per year. And from us, from Global PTT, it's free. We all have the global servers, okay, but from them they don't offer the SIM card or the radios. They don't have. We have our own SIM card devices and IMEI band. I think if you don't use global PTT radios, you will not know about the IMEI band. Okay, each radio has its own IMEI, just like your iPhone. When you go to your iPhone, you check it. The iPhone also has the IMEI. Okay, and those radios, it has IMEI too. We can use it like a phone, and we can dial a phone number to call to the phone. Okay, so this one is also like same like your phone, and we have the IMEI band. We just join the IMEI to the global PT system, and it will work in the global PT system. And here is an account. Okay, you can see I have 59 users. We can talk only between those users. If we are not here, Okay, we cannot talk each other. For example, here I have this big one. It's in global PTT1 group. I have another one. It's in global PTT1 group too. The two radios, no matter where they are, how many miles they are apart between each other, they can talk because it is based on the 4G signal, just like your phone. As long as you have the 4G coverage, it will work. There is totally no distance limit. Okay, but when we're talking about it, we don't talk about how many words your radio it is because it is POC radios. You can search and you can Google what is POC radios. The POC radios first, it depends on the 4G band. If you have a fully 4G band, the fully 4G coverage, it will work worldwide. It will depend on the SIM card you insert in it. If your SIM card is local SIM, you can use it local. If your SIM card is international SIM, you can use it international. And the SIM card, guys, we offer to you from all our shop is a global SIM card. It will cover 174 countries. So you can achieve the 174 countries free call just between your team members. And it is worldwide. This is the SIM card. We also have some other SIM card. Okay, here we have the North American SIM, South American SIM, Asia SIM, Oceania SIM. And actually, it's not only one SIM, guys. It's a global SIM. And the radio can achieve the global call. It will work wherever you have the 4G signal. And if you don't have 4G signal, it will not work anymore. Okay, but for this big one, we add UHF and VHF for assisting. Okay, so some friends come to me to ask how many words your radio it is. I think you just asking about the UHF and VHF. Okay, if your radio it has UHF or VHF, there will be a power. Okay, there will how many words on it. We add UHF and VHF for assisting. Yeah, when you lost 4G, you go to the mountains, you go to the valleys, or you go to somewhere, go to your basement, there you don't have 4G. You can use the UHF to talk. And here is the full working mode for this walkie-talkie. You can just check here. POC mode. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. Analog mode. Analog is UHF analog or VHF analog. Mixed mode. To standby. Repeater mode. Repeater mode, we can connect this radio to a repeater. If you are a ham radio operator, I think you can use this walkie-talkie to talk to your ham radio. And we can turn the transfer on. If we turn the transfer on, guys, your POC mode can talk to the UHF analog mode. So it's quite amazing actually, this walkie-talkie. And the price for it is not actually not expensive. For this one, after discount, it's only 330 something. This one is 520, and this one is only less than 300 per pair with yearly SIM card. Okay, thank you so much for coming, guys. We will finish our live. We also have TK Live and Amazon Live, guys. Please search Global PTT, then you will find us. We will finish our live. Bye bye.